Hi, I'm Yole and welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and the main goal of this video is trying to get a glow up before college starts. I want to feel better and have a good back to school start because I've been looking a little musty, crusty, but we're gonna try and fix that. Things that we're gonna focus on in this video is getting a haircut because it's much needed. I've been having my hair long for like a while now and I just you want to cut it. It's time. I can't do long hair anymore. I'm gonna redo my nails. We're gonna paint them, cut them. We're gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna add some clusters. We're gonna get my eyebrows done, maybe shave my mustache. So let's get started. Okay, so my boyfriend came to pick me up for my haircut because his mom is the one who's gonna be cutting my hair. We're here now, and now we're just gonna wait until his mom is ready. So I got my hair cut. She is short, and I am loving it. We're now going to go get my eyebrows done. So much better having my short hair. I missed it so much and now I can't wait to like find different hairstyles to style it because it'll be so much easier now. We just got to the eyebrow place, so these are my eyebrows. I will just ask for like a cleanup. Just got my eyebrows done. So we're gonna go home now. She's gonna drop me off. We'll continue with the next thing on my list. So we just got back to my house. Thank you, boyfriend.
You're welcome. Anything for you, my beautiful.
Oh, thank you, kind sir.
Of course. Beautiful queen.
Oh, wait, my boobs.
Oh, shit.
So, here she is. Okay, so we're back in my room. For the next thing on our list is doing my nails. So I'm gonna cut them and paint them red. And do the same with my toes because they need help.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut my nails. They've been growing, some of them, because I bite my nails. I'm a nail biter, so they don't usually get that long. I painted them and that's why they grew. So now I'm gonna repaint them so hopefully they get healthier. I will be listening to music when I do these type of things, but since I'm using my phone to record, I don't really have another phone, so just have to make up our own music. Have you guys seen The Summer It's Been Pretty? I haven't seen it yet. I'm waiting until the last episode comes out. It's gonna be a minute. But it just annoyed me because they're only doing one episode a week. And I'm like, I cannot wait that week. I mean, I can't wait that long. And I'm like, I cannot wait that week for an episode. So I'm gonna just wait until all of them come out so I can just binge watch all of them. And mainly I know the first episodes are gonna be about Jeremiah. I don't like Jeremiah. Conrad for belly. I want to show you once they're done. All done. Now they don't look so bad. We're gonna paint them red because it's the only nail color I have. So we're gonna use it and I really like the color. I'm gonna do one of those TikTok transitions. This is the one I write with, right? Not too bad. Let's see. All done. Wow! I'm also gonna paint my nails, so I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm not showing my feet for free, guys. Okay, so we got my hair done, so check. Eyebrows, check. Nails, check. Now we're gonna do my lashes. I have this kit. I have this glue, and I have these tweezers. Let's do this. Like this before. Curl them first. I don't have a lash curler, so I'm gonna go look for one. Be right back. I'm somewhat excited to go to college. I'm the first one in my family to go, so everything is just like new to me. Really wanted to do all of this because I've been feeling a little you know, I had been growing my hair for such a long time, and it just got to a point where I'm like, I can't do this anymore. Like, I miss my short hair. I've always cut my hair until like I was like, no, like I want to see how long hair works. I'm so glad I cut it. I feel so much better now. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Since I'm running out of this, we're gonna be using these, which is 40D, and I'm gonna do 40D, 114, and then 312, and then 110 to kind of give it like a wing effect. So let's see how that turns out. Borrowed this glue from Ikea like a fat minute ago. Like, yeah, I need to give it back to her. I just keep forgetting to give it back to her.
Yeah, right.
But it's the one we're gonna use, and she is really great. She sticks. So since we curled. Okay, I'm gonna apply the bond to my lashes, especially the bottom part of my lashes, because that's where the cluster is gonna go. Just a little bit, because I'm gonna still use some for when I apply the lash. So I'm gonna just use one. I'm gonna apply the bond to like the tip of it, the bottom part. Dang it. Bruh. What? I keep dropping it. Where'd it go? Hello? We're gonna use another lash because I lost that one. So I'm gonna just apply these. I'm gonna apply this one first and the other ones, and I'll be back with the final results. The other thing about these clusters is they do last pretty long, and especially with this glue. This glue is really good. I just finished this side of my eye. This is what we're going for. Did someone say is there one? Since I'm done now applying my lashes, I'm going to apply the lash serum, which is what helps them like stay together. finished with my lashes. Now I feel like that, so next thing on my list is shaving my mustache. Can't really see it, but I know it's there. It's there, trust me. She's there. So we need to cut her off. I used this baby oil to place it and I shave it off with one of those face shavers. Let me find one. I'm going to apply some. Now that I've applied it to where I'm gonna shave off my mustache, can't really tell, but it was much needed. Add some lotion. So now we're done with all my facial things. We got my lashes, my eyebrows, and my mustache. I feel like a new person. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup and then I'm gonna do my hair a little bit, see what I can do with it, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results of our final glow up. 1, 2, 3. How do we look? Oh my gosh, I am loving it. So this is our final glow up. We got new hair, did our nails, our eyebrows 8, lashes 8, hair, look at this. I am in love. Let me know what you guys think, and also let me know if there's some hairstyles you guys think will look really good with the style. Let me know. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, hope you enjoy it, and there is much more to come. So thank you for staying along. Bye!